government has approached the Supreme Court challenging a Madras High Court order that permitted the lighting of a traditional lamp at the Deepa Thoon, a stone pillar located on top of the Thiruparankundram hill in Madurai district near a Dargah. According to the details, the special leave petition was filed on June 11 through advocate on record B. Karunakaran. The petition challenges the January 6th order of a division bench of the Madras High Court, which had upheld a single judge ruling allowing the lighting of the Karthigai Deepam at the disputed site. The case originated from writ petitions filed by individuals seeking permission to light a lamp at the Deepa Thoon, situated approximately 50 meters from the Dargah on the hill. The state government, through the HR&CE Department, which administers the Lord Subramanya temple at the base of the hill, opposed the plea, arguing that there is no established custom of lighting a lamp at the Deepa Thoon, as the ritual is traditionally performed at another designated location. Earlier, Justice G.R. Swaminathan of the Madras High Court had allowed the petitions, holding that the rites of the Dargah would not be affected and that preventing devotees from performing the ritual would violate their religious rights. Following the state administration's refusal to permit the ritual, contempt proceedings were initiated, during which directions were issued to conduct the lamp lighting under Central Industrial Security Force protection. The division bench later upheld these directions, stating that allowing the lamp lighting would not create any law and order issues and that temple's authorities have a duty to preserve religious traditions. It also rejected the state's argument that the Deepa Thoon was merely a survey stone installed by the British authorities. The state had earlier filed an SLP in December last year against the contempt-related orders passed by Justice Swaminathan, but it was not listed before the Supreme Court. The present petition now specifically challenges the High Court's January ruling permitting the ritual at the Deepa Thoon site. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.